Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're making a Tom Collins. Now, Tom Collins is a great classic cocktail that's often made improperly, but I will show you how to make it the correct way. Let's get right into it. Now, this drink is a gin-based drink. We're using London dry gin. This is a broker's gin. We're gonna use 2 ounces of the gin. Now, this is a great gin. This is distilled in a 200-year-old distillery. Very citrusy. Next, we're gonna use lemon juice. This is fresh squeezed lemon juice. Very important to make a great quality cocktail. We're gonna use 3/4 of an ounce. And that's poured into the same tin, shaker tin or Boston tin, whatever you wanna call it. Next, for the third ingredient is simple syrup. We're also gonna use 3/4 of an ounce. There we go. And that's all the ingredients. Next step is to add ice. We're gonna add ice about 3/4 of the way up. We're gonna take a great shaker tin, shaker pint. We're gonna shake. Perfect. Next step is we're gonna add ice to your Collins glass. Now we're gonna fill ice all the way to the top on your Collins glass. Now with a Hawthorne strainer, we're gonna strain the cocktail about 3/4 of the way up. We'll leave room for the soda water. Now we're gonna top off with soda water, like I said. Then for the garnishes, we're gonna put a lemon wedge, like that, and a maraschino cherry. We're gonna rest it ever so gently on top here, because garnishes make the cocktail. Double up presentation, like so. We're going to add a straw. This is a Collins glass. I'll use a straw. There you go. Tom Collins. Let's give it a shot. Ooh. Very refreshing. Sour, sweet. Great for a nice summer hot day. And there's a great story behind it. If you're curious, it's a very entertaining story. Read our notes in the video and I definitely guarantee you get a laugh. Well, folks, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw today, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.